example of how far we've come in the world of creating CG-looking humans is the last batch of Star Wars. Mainly seeing, seeing a young Princess Leia at the end of A Force Awakens. Okay, so the Ghibli Studios continued its enormous success in the 2000s with films like Miyazaki's Spirited Away, which came out in 2001, Howl's Moving Castle came out in 2004, and Ponyo, which came out in 2008. To highlight how far we've come, I want to mention just a handful of recent films that have taken the various forms of animation to enormous new heights. I also work in animation, and I've done so for many years. So a lot of this becomes very personal to me about what filmmakers are out there doing stuff and watching how far we've come in technology and how great storytelling has come along as well, because of now there isn't, again, more now than ever, there really isn't anything you can't make stylistically, as well as just kind of a character, whether it's CG, stop motion, puppeted, combination of live action and all of it. So I'm going to hit on a few people, one of which is Wes Anderson. Wes Anderson, specifically his film Fantastic Mr. Fox. Here's Wes Anderson talking about that specific film.